This is a review of the OEDRO Floor Mat. I'll start off by saying the mat comes in a nicely packaged box. It comes complete with the front driver, passenger, and the rear liners. I like that there's a lip all the way around it in case of spilled liquids, or if your shoe is a bit dirty, it will keep all the dirt from getting all over your factory carpet. The mats are easy to install and it fits in very nicely. These mats are made from hard rubber plastic that can bend, which fits into the shape of the floor nicely. The design and the color of these floor mats perfectly complement my car. The mats are very durable, and if you're like me and you have little kids, it's gonna protect your car from those happy little feet. I like that these mats are well made, they're inexpensive, and they hold up to any other brand very well.